Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a fun video. It is a part 2 to a video I did over a year ago, which has been the highest viewed video on my channel. I had no idea that it was gonna get that many views and still racking up the views. If I knew, I would have not done that video in a bonnet. Why? So yeah, I'm back for part 2 and it is over a year now, so as you can tell, I'm in a new space. I have a office in my own place, so we have much better organization, more space to do everything, and I also now am still with Royal Mail, but I have an online business account, so things are just a little bit different. However, I still use my DYMO printer, so I'll leave the link for that down below. I've been using it for over a year now, still love it, still really good. Saving money on ink and all of that good stuff. So I guess let's just hop into my computer and I'll show you how I use the online business account software without showing anything that is confidential, and then I will show how we actually pack and ship our orders. I now use the online business account, which means we have different supplies, so I'll show you how we do that too, and I'll leave links for everything mentioned in this video in the description box down below. Do me one favor, subscribe to this channel if you like this kind of content and like this video for more, and let's just get straight into the video. So right now I'm going to take you into my screen. I am in the Shopify platform and I'm looking through my unfulfilled orders so that I can fulfill them and the customer will get a notification once their package is shipped. So I have my Royal Mail. I still use click and drop. However, with click and drop, it is a bit different now that I have the online business account. What actually happens is you process the order without paying for it because you pay for it within 30 days after making the order. You then have to manifest the batch of orders, print off a piece of paper that has all of your orders on it, hand that over to the post office with the packages, and then that's how they get sent out. So I still kind of do the same thing. I find the customer that I'm going to ship to on Shopify and in click and drop, and then I will process that order. Now we have the same order from Shopify and in Royal Mail, and then I'm just going to apply postage as usual. The weight of this, it usually comes up automatically, sometimes it doesn't, so I just enter it manually. So make sure you know your weights of your products off the top of your head, or if not, just like write it down somewhere that you can easily see. And then I am using, so at the minute I use Royal Mail second class signed for, however it is cheaper for me to use second class. So what I have done now is I've added onto my shipping options on Shopify the option for customers to get the second class tracked or just standard second class, and it's up to them whether they want to pay more for it to have a tracking code or not, but technically they both get tracked, except for with the tracked version they get it signed for, the postman or woman signs for them because of everything that's going on. The customer no longer signs for the package. However, for the business owner it is cheaper for you to do second class standard. So for now, with this batch of orders, I am going to go ahead and do sign for, just because that is what I did beforehand. But from now on moving forward, it will be second class standard unless they have stated and paid the extra for the sign for service. So you choose that service, small parcel, and then you want to put the dispatch date as today. If you were going to send on another day, say for example Thursday, because we now ship on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I could click that I'm going to ship this on Thursday and then I will just fulfill it on the Thursday. But today we're going to do everything today, so I'm putting today's date and then I'm going to apply and generate the labels, and then it just does everything for me right here and right now, whereas before I'd have to pay for it via PayPal or my credit card, whereas now everything is ready for you to print. So now we have the dispatch label, the dispatch note, I now print off. Before I didn't print it off because I was trying to save paper, to be honest with you. I was trying to save money and I just thought it's a waste having to recycle. But now it's very beneficial so that we don't mess up orders, because we've had a few problems with us sending the wrong items to certain customers. Whereas now I make sure that I print the dispatch note, which actually includes what is in the order, and then I print their label so that when my assistant comes, she can look at the dispatch note, know exactly what is in that order, and then along with stick the label on the package. So we don't include the dispatch note in our packages, we simply just throw it away after we've fulfilled the order. So all I do now is go ahead and print using my DYMO label printer, and then simply print. And it comes out so quickly, so easily. And we're going to print the label too. There we go. So I'm now, because this was a tracked order, I'm going to copy and paste her tracking code into Shopify. Again, this should happen automatically, but for me, I have issues with it not working automatically. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it's too slow. And I just prefer to just send them the code straight away so that they know and they can, you know, just know that it's on its way. So I'm going to paste her code, and that's going to let her know that it has been sent. So that is it. It's way more simple than before. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with the packing, the printing of labels, and then when my assistant gets here, I will film us actually fulfilling the orders. So right now we are counting stock because we're actually stocked up for once, as you can see. Ash is counting the pillowcases, and then we need to count the brushes because there's a lot that I haven't counted for a long time. And then we're gonna head to the post office. We've packed everything, ready to go. We'll catch you after.
International packages.
Yes, international, UK, yeah, mainly UK, but some international. So now it's time to tag the boxes, the bags for Royal Mail. So each bag needs a label. So yeah, you thread the label through, and then you just tick whether it's parcel, large letter, or just a letter, and then you thread it through these holes here. And then you seal it, and then this is how you take it to the post office, and you print out a manifest that tells them everything that's in the bags, and then you just hand it over, they scan it, and then you leave. And tag up the other bags that I have, and then we'll head to the post office, and that will be us for the day.